If you want to delete app data on your iPhone, here's how to do it. First, open your Settings app, scroll down and tap on General, then select iPhone Storage. Here, you'll see a list of all your apps and how much storage they're using. This is where you can manage your iPhone storage space. Now, let's say you want to delete data from a specific app, for example, Facebook. Simply tap on the app you want to clear. You'll see the option Delete App, tap on it, then confirm by tapping Delete App again. This will permanently remove the app along with all its data and cache. It's important to note that this clears everything associated with that app. If you want the app back, just head to the App Store and download it again. The app will reinstall fresh without any of the previous data. And that's it. That's how you delete app data and clear storage on your iPhone. This method works for any app on iOS. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick iPhone tutorials.